Stacking Benjamins, it's all about the cash flow. Risking big on Wall Street where the stocks grow. Power ties in the concrete market jungle. Portfolio thick, make that money bundle. Money talks, I'm the voice with the slick vibe. Wolf howling while I'm climbing that high rise. I chase the bread, but now the crumb is what I leave.
What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today I had 2 losing trades on NAS100. Today you can see for a total loss of 47.56. I'm not sure what happened. I had a stop loss of 20, about 20 on the first one, but it seemed like price just blew through that. Like it just blew through that and stopped me out for a loss of 26. And then something about the swap fees were like another $6, which was crazy because like this is a funded account, so this should be simulated. I'm not sure what was with that high swap fee. Something happened there, but that's what basically happened to me. So you can see I got a $26 loss here, which is not typical. I typically go for a $20 loss. So I set $20 and it basically just blew through that. So I'll be showing you my entry where I got stopped out at. I got stopped out at 8.39. So that was a little painful. And I had a buy position. So let's see. Let's go down to the hourly. Today was good for a buy, but you'd have had to buy it at 12 o'clock exactly. So if you didn't catch that, you got knocked out. So you can see I entered here at the 6 o'clock candle, 6:49. Let's make it much bigger. So I entered on the 6:49 here to the buy side. You can see that buy side would have been the trade, but you had to wait until this sell off at 10 before you get the push up at 11, 12, 1, and 2 for the max move. So you can see I entered here at 6 at 17,107.05, and then I got stopped out lower than my stop loss. You can see it here. So this was my stop loss, which was what was accurate, but I'm guessing price blew through it. So I'm thinking a big selling candle at 8. Let's see if that's true. Is this 8? Yeah. So the price probably came in and dived down so fast that it was hard to stop me out. So it stopped me out at 26, which tends to happen when it comes to some brokers. And if you had bigger capital, that would have been a bigger loss, just a casualty, because you're playing at the table and things happen, you know. Even this one I had a stop loss of 20, but you can see I lost 21.52 on it. Entered this one at 9. So I was looking for that buy, that 10 o'clock buy, but it didn't go up at 10. It actually went down before coming up at 11. So this was at 17,172.25. Then I got stopped out a little lower than my stop loss, which was 17,157.96. You can see I got stopped out on the same candle, around 4 minutes difference, and that was at 21.52. Doesn't make a difference because the next candle would have taken me down either way, so it's no big difference. And I entered this when the market looked like it was about to go bullish, but we actually had a reversal before going bullish. So it's like a catapult. You pull it back and you let it go. Pow! And let's go into my watch list now. And this might come in handy as we have earnings. A lot of people have AMD on their list, and this is actually AMD. You can see it's lagging. It's way lower than the other chip stocks. Not sure how to make this, like, make the candle, make this stay pinned or something. I forget. We can see what I'm tracking here is Bitcoin, Tesla, IMMR, Bitfarms, NVIDIA, AMD, SMCI. We'll see if Bitfarms is having like a little rebound, a little reboundy bound. So you see Bitcoin is actually coming much higher at 66957, looking like it wants to reclaim 67, reclaim 69, reclaim 70 and go higher. Tesla, did we have a rebound today? Not really on Tesla today at 142. But the funny thing about that is it's leaving a lot of space to the upside. A lot of these spaces can be money if Tesla just rips through them. But stocks move a little differently than indices. There's no concurrent price action like on indices. So you will have natural gaps. IMMR, we're at 7.23. The Bitfarms, we're at 2.05. So you can see it's having that reversal effect straight off from 930, went from 1.79, and you've been bullish all the way up. NVIDIA, I heard NVIDIA had a good rebound today, coming back into that zone perfectly. Coming back into that zone perfectly. Wow. So you can even see the possibility of trading it that way. So we can look for NVIDIA to kind of break into this zone as it continues. 794. AMD, what's it looking like? 150, 148, huh? 148. Very interesting, very interesting. You can see this gap to be filled to the upside. This also. There's a lot of money to be filled for AMD to the upside. Interesting. SMCI, I'm pretty sure it's getting that exaggerated. Nah. They sleeping on my boy SMCI. They sleeping. Cause I'll take this. I would try and take this back to the upside. SMCI has a $200 gap here, but the thing about this stock is that the options are so overpriced. It almost hurts you to try and play. But if you get that move, that's how you can actually make out on it. What is this saying? NVIDIA sharp stock sell-off sparks this analyst call to buy the dip. Down 43% from highs. Should you buy the dip in super microcomputer stock? And that's basically it for today's video. I'll get this one out. It's 9:28. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.